spread this two out and push on the dial a little bit. Be careful with this little switch, it will fall off. And just pop the battery out. Leave this one uninstalled. Pop this part out. To install the new battery, you can check right here. The negative sign is pointing to this one, and then the positive is this one. And when you got your new battery, the red wire will be positive, black wire will be negative. Fold the wire a little bit like this. Press it in right here. When every pin is lined up, just press it in. The digit will light up for a second and turn off. It's okay, that's normal. And when you insert it all the way, you can use the little thing that came out when you disassembling the counter. Press the button a little bit and then the number will light up, and just kind of stuff it in there and then reassemble. Make sure the little pointy thing fits to the opening here. Install this right on top, and you're good. All set.